I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Her rapper messy colors. No, I love it when you.
With Hyperlaser, you are free to unleash your creativity anytime, anywhere, on any surface. Horizontal engraving, vertical engraving, inclined engraving at any angle, even cylindrical surface engraving will all be easy and perfect. The unique ultra-speed optical galvanometer scanner with up to 5,000 milliwatts of laser power provides ultimate precision over large engraving areas with excellent 4K resolution. Hyperlaser makes laser engraving easier than ever. In only 30 seconds, your high heels can be customized into a stylish limited edition. As fast as you snap your fingers, your own exclusive coffee coaster is created. And that's not all. Why not show off your creativity on your favorite mug? Precious memories deserve a special place in your heart. Use Hyperlaser to capture those moments that need to be cherished and saved inside your personally engraved wooden box. Let your style speak. Put your own logo on your beloved metal knives, or even create your own unique living space by engraving on the wall.
simplest step could break you in two. How do you sing so loud on the front step? You're just a bird and nobody loves you. You see every day it's bumper to bumper. Every night I shake off my shoes. Every step
This is XDrill. It's the drill reimagined. If one was to make, or imagine if you will, a drill today, what would it consist of? Sure, it would have to be a terrific drill, but what else? You'd probably want a way to help you know exactly where to drill without the help of a measuring tape and a pencil. It should also have a system that stops the drill when you've reached the right depth. It should let you know if you're leveled, and, as everything today, it should have a touchscreen. XDrill's got all that and more. It's made for pros, and also amazing for beginners. Basically, it's got everything to make drilling so much simpler. XDrill is first and foremost a terrific drill. Our motor is brushless, the battery is 21 volts with a 3-hour work rate per charge. The drill works both forward and reverse, and its high-speed low torque reaches 2000 RPM, while low-speed high torque goes up to 600. In case you're not a drill buff, all that technical jargon means our drill can go through the hardest surfaces and do so precisely. We also made sure the grip is ergonomic and comfortable to use, and that the drill will come in regular and very manly red with flames. Now we're kidding about that one.